Ants in your bathroom might seem weird at first, but it makes total sense once you realize what's drawing them in. We are bighomeprojects.com, your go-to website directory for trusted contractors and job opportunities. Bathrooms are like a comfy hangout spot for ants, filled with moisture, hidden food, and cozy little cracks for them to settle into. Taking the time to figure out why they're there can help you kick them out for good. Number 1. Moisture is the big one. Bathrooms are naturally damp from showers, baths, and sinks, and ants love water. If you've got something like a leaky pipe or faucet drip, it's basically an open invitation for them. Check for leaks, and if needed, run a dehumidifier to dry things out. Number 2. Food residues. Yeah, your bathroom might not seem like a buffet, but ants will snack on toothpaste dribbles, soap scum, or even cough syrup spills. They'll find the tiniest bit of sugary or sticky stuff left behind, so wipe surfaces down regularly, even the spots you usually ignore. Number 3. Chemical smells might surprise you as another reason ants are hanging around. Odors from clogged drains or fermented hair attract them. Keep your drains clean using enzyme-based cleaners every so often. It's good for avoiding buildup and keeps those smells under control. Number 4. Sneaky shelter spots are everywhere in bathrooms. Cracks behind toilets, under sinks, or gaps around pipes? Ant heaven. Take a look at these areas and seal them up with caulk or foam to make it harder for them to move in. Number 5. Entry points are their highway into your home. Tiny gaps around windows and vents let ants follow scent trails from the outdoors right into your bathroom. Seal those openings with caulk or weather stripping to block their path. Number 6. Warmth from hot showers makes bathrooms extra cozy for ants, especially during colder weather. Open your bathroom door after using hot water or run the exhaust fan to cool things down faster. Number 7. Lack of disturbance is the kicker. They love it when humans aren't around much. If your bathroom doesn't get used a ton, or you don't clean certain areas often enough, they'll settle in. Step up your cleaning game to keep them uncomfortable. Want to tackle all of this effectively? Head over to bighomeprojects.com to find trusted contractors who can handle leaks, seal those cracks, and fix structural issues that might be inviting ants into your space. It's the place to go if you're ready to turn your bathroom into an ant-free zone.